Yeah.
Hey cuties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a super easy and quick corned beef recipe which cost only £9, well less than £10 to make. This is eaten by so many countries such as my own and also in the Caribbean. I hope you guys enjoy. Right, we're going to start off by peeling, cleaning and then chopping our onions. Right, once you're done chopping up your onions, you're going to move on to your habanero peppers. I only used one because that's all I can handle, but yeah, each their own. Now let's add our oil into the pot with the onions and pepper and some thyme. Now let's season with some Raja garlic, some jumbo, 2 spoons should be fine, some white pepper, Maggi liquid, and a cubed Maggi, and stir away. Once you see your onions becoming transparent, proceed to add your corned beef. Just shake it and like stir it around to just break it apart. After 30 minutes of cooking, you're going to add your corn and then just stir that around and proceed to add some hot water into the pot. You're going to allow it to cook for a further 20 minutes with the lid on top. After 45 minutes to an hour of cooking, your corned beef should be ready and you can serve this with some plantain. Bon appetit!
Attitude, girl. One of them, 2 of them, so the crew of them, I will wind them. Put a 3 of them, put a 4 of them, even more of them, I will grind them.